Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and this is going to be a real quick video to show you how to do knit two together through the back loop. So this is a left leaning decrease, which you will usually see at the beginning of your work, but it just depends on what you're working on. So we're going to, instead of knitting two together through the front, we're going to go in and underneath to the back. We're going to wrap the yarn around and pull it through. So we're going to knit two together through the back loop. And that's it. So it gives us a little bit of a left leaning decrease. And I'll show you again just so that you can see it. All right, so knit two together through the back loop. So we're going to go inside and then we're going to go to the back. Put our yarn through there, or wrap it around, pull it through, and drop both stitches off. Inside to the back, wrap around, through the holes, and slip off. So that is knit two together through the back loop.